Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Broke Bunny, aka Rhoda God, aka Rhoda Slay God, aka You Chump Change. And today we are going to do a Finesse Friday look. Yes, a Finesse Friday look. And this is our look today that we finessed. So if you want to know how I got this look and you want to finesse and ride the wave and do it for yourself as well, stay tuned. And let's go to the video. Okay, so first things first or whatever, I already did my foundation and my brows so that this tutorial would not take long or whatever, kind of like breeze through. So today is going to be like an orange look. So first things first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to base my eyes. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever cream palette, and I'm going to use the white as the base, because I ran out of I ran out of, what I'm trying to say? I ran out of eyeshadow primer. I put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna go in with my brush. And I'm just gonna put the white all over my lids. So just like so. Putting it all over the lid. And I'm just blending it in. You don't have to really dap it on or whatever. I mean, do what's most comfortable for you. It looks something like this. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go in with my banana powder, and I'm just going to take my beauty blender as well. And this one is from Real Techniques. Everybody got their own. Real Techniques is good. I have the one from Morphe. I like that one too. That one is bomb. And the one from Eco Tools as well. And of course, you know, the original, the beauty blender. That one is good too, but we're just gonna dab that all over the lid. Just like so. As you see, this mirror part or whatever, this is the palette I'm going to be using. It's from Morphe 35B palette. So the first color that I'm going to go into with as a transition is going to be like this peach color here. This peach color here. I'm going to put that in the crease, and I'm going in with my beauty blender. I'm going in with my blending brush. This one is the Pro Crease brush. It's from Sephora. You can use any one from any brand that you feel comfortable with, that, you know, works. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of like pack that on. I don't want it to be like extremely because you see, that's why you should clean your brushes, guys, because it's kind of transparent, but it's cool because we're gonna finesse this fucking look, because that's what I do. Finesse. This is Finesse Fridays, guys. Welcome to Finesse Fridays. Finesse your looks, sweetie. So you just want to kind of keep packing on that color and just blending it out. Just back and forth blending. And just keep packing on and blending to your liking. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go back in with the white. And I'm just gonna take my little tiny eyeshadow brush that I have from Real Techniques. I'm gonna go back in with the white. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid just because the orange that I'm gonna use on the lid, I just want it to stand out. I want it to be more potent. And I want it to be bright and vibrant so that babies could be clocking a mile away. But I'm just putting it on messy because this is not like a cut crease or anything. I'm not doing it like to make it look perfect. I just want that little base under it, so when I pack this color on, it's gonna stick a whole lot better and it's gonna be more vibrant. I'm gonna go on my MAC 213 eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go back into this palette and we're gonna use this bright orange color here. We're gonna pack that all over the lid. Just like that. So you see how it just stands out a whole lot more. It's more vibrant, so we just packing that on. Also too, make sure you always tap off excess because you don't want to have fallout, especially since I did my foundation already, just to kind of make this go a lot quicker. I'm just gonna do the same on this side. Okay, so this is where we should be at step 2. So don't worry about if it looks a little messy. That's fine because we're gonna finesse it. Like I said, so now I'm just gonna go in with a denser blending brush. This is also from Sephora. I'm just gonna list all the brushes that I use down below in the description box so you guys can check them out if you would like, and you know, go from there if you want to go pick them up or whatever. Go in like kind of with this reddish magenta color, and we're just gonna go in here to cut the crease a little, just to add like a little bit more depth so too we could blend and have like a nice transition. Now too, you don't want to take it up too high because I'm gonna show you how we're gonna finesse. That's why it's always good to have clean brushes, because when you have clean brushes, it's gonna help you give a better blend, more seamless blending. Like it's gonna look like more like skin, more airbrushed. So we're just putting that color It's always good to make sure you clean in and out between your brushes, between looks and stuff like that, just so you know you don't carry the color and things or whatever. But like, I'm just gonna take a more tapered blending brush. This is from Morphe. It's the M505. And as you see how we have that crease color. So when you always have a clean blending brush, and we're gonna go here and we're just going to blend. As you see, when you always take that clean blending brush, it's just gonna help you blend that shit out even better. So as you can see the difference already from this eye versus this eye. This eye is more blended, this eye isn't. So you just kind of want to focus and just blend. We're not trying to take it too high as well, because we're going to go back in with our other transition color we was using earlier. We'll just go ahead in and just blend that out. Because as you see, it looks a lot softer. Okay, now lashes off camera, but it's cool. So these, I just got these 25mm lashes. They're from a local beauty supply store. Everything that I use will be in the description box down below. And I use hair glue to do my lashes now. Before, I always used to use Duo, but Duo, I don't know, even though the green one with the vitamin, it says that it doesn't have latex in it, it always never fails. Whatever do I have, it always irritates my eyes, so it has to be something in it. So I just cut that out a long time ago. So you could put these on with your fingers. You could put them on with tweezers. I don't have no nails because it's quarantine. There's no nail salon open. At this point, we have our eyeshadow done, everything on. Go into this contouring process. So the color that I'm using, I think this is Espresso. Oh, this is Film Noir. And I bought the pan. You know, if you buy the pan, you know, the actual product, the whole entire product, it's more. But if you go to the M.A.C stores, you could buy the pan because they have the palettes and can make your own personalized palettes, such forth and such on. So this is Film Noir, and I'm just going to take my angled brush. Take my angled brush, and I'm just going to go like that. That's how I do my contour. I ain't the best person to do contour, but this is how I do my contour, especially quick. I use a powder. If I wanted to, but my skin is kind of breaking out, so I'm just like focusing on, I just been focusing on trying to get that back. And I always do like move my cheek like this, so I could kind of get that precision, I guess I'm looking for. I really want to say precision, but you know. To kind of get it like so. So it to look like it's gonna cut a nigga. Sorry. Like it's gonna cut somebody. You know what I'm saying? Okay guys, so this is the final look. I kind of just let my wig up a little bit, have that like wavy look, but this is the look. Also I had technical difficulties with my camera. Thanks for tuning in again with AKA Road Bunny, AKA Road of God, AKA Road of Slay God, AKA Chump Change. Okay, you can follow me on all my social media networks. It will be listed in the description box below too. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. I'll see you next time. Bye.